Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are wait, I know I look super different, but this is just this wig is giving me life. Really, I know I look so good. I look so elegant, but anyway, let's do the intro again because honey, World New Hair, they sell quality. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this beautiful unit. I used got2b glue for the first time and I love the results. I don't know why I'm late. I don't know why you guys did not tell me to try got2b glue, really, because look at this lace. This wig is absolutely amazing. World New Hair, you sell super quality hair. Guys, you will see on the video when I install it, the lace just, the lace was just melting on my skin. Like, period. I'm telling you guys. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, keep on watching. If you're interested in purchasing this, guys, do check the description box and also leave a comment and tell me if you would, rock this slick back sophisticated unit. Okay, let's get into today's video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know.
Yo guys, let's just stop the music for 1 second because this lace is plugged and customized to the gods. Oh my goodness, this is a 14-inch virgin hair bob wig with a 13x4 Swiss lace frontal in medium brown. The hair is so soft and the wig fits like a glove. And by the way, this video is in collaboration with World New Hair Company. Please do check out the description box for direct links to their website and of course amazing discount codes. Otherwise, this video is self-explanatory, guys, so let's just watch and learn.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
Guys, this is so crazy. Can you see that? The lace just disappeared. Wow. obsessed. Okay, I'm really obsessed with this elegant look. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you guys, I feel like this is the best wig ever. Like, come on guys, let's just be honest. I look super 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 duper great. I'm loving the way I look, guys. Oh my goodness, World New Hair, I'm telling you. Wow, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Thank you so much, World New Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I really really do appreciate it. World New Hair, they sell good quality hair. I mean, the lace I bonagale, guys. Lace I think. Come on, can you even believe that this is not my real hair? Oh my goodness, I'm really happy. I'm so happy. So yeah guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the description box for more information if you want to purchase this gorgeous unit from World New Hair. Until next time, bye bye guys.